It's time to protect your Galaxy S22 Ultra. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, we have UAG civilian case. You can pick this up for $49.99. Link will be in the description below if you are interested in picking this bad boy up. Y'all seen the UAG packaging before, very similar to last year's. 20-foot drop protection. 20 foot, that's a lot. Designed for Samsung. Discreet protection, civilian series. This is a very minimalist, not too flashy case for your Galaxy S22 Ultra, but it is going to give you the protection you want and need. On the back, it gives you a quick description of the case here. Hypercush IPS, that is the shock absorption technology. Encased, not no point intended, encased in the case. This is what they're talking about. Rooted in 10 years of experience of making protective cases for your device and validated through a rigorous military drop test standard. It is rated at military grade. It is rated at It is rated at military drop test standards. Woo! Finally got that out my lips. So impact resistant bumper, shock absorption, soft core, and feather-like armor shell. So enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful case here. Bam. Very minimalist. As I said, you can get this in different colors. That orange there is the shock absorption technology. Looks very good. But let's grab the S20. Let's grab the S22 Ultra and place this inside. Bam, bam, bam. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector, Whitestone Dome, only the best, and it is case friendly. So the case does play nice with the Whitestone Dome screen protector, and the Whitestone Dome screen protector plays nice with the case itself. So no issues with that. And you do have a cutout there on top, as you can see, for the earpiece. So there's going to be no muffled sounds here. On the side of the phone, you do have 100% covered buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive. On the bottom of the phone, you do have your charging port, mic, and speaker, and S Pen, nice and precise. And your S Pen is easily accessible. There's no issues there. Nothing on the left side of the phone, but you do have a UAG brand logo there on the bottom lower of the case. But looks very nice. Oh, I forgot to say the top. On the top, you do got that mic there. On the back, we do have a giant cutout there for the cameras, but it is protruding above the camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat down on a flat surface. On its back on a flat surface, nothing's gonna happen. And same thing if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. This nice lid protection that you have here on the bottom and the top of the case is going to protect your screen from getting damaged. Now, Whitestone Dome offers you this nice, and it does work. So Whitestone Dome offers you this nice lens protector there. It's made of metal, and I believe it works with this case. So you can go ahead and place this on here, and it would play nice with this case here. So it just adds to the aesthetic. Look at that, it looks a little bit better. And you can peel it off, and if you don't want to use it, if you just want to rock it like that, it's very sticky. Man, it's trolling me. But look at that, nice. Let's get that off. But looks good. Now, does this wirelessly charge through the case? And obviously it does. As you can see, it wirelessly charges through the case, so there is no issues with this wireless charging through the case. So there you have it, guys. This is the UAG civilian case, available for all your S22 series devices. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one up. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding this case. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.